Hey everybody, hi, welcome. So glad you're here. Thank you for joining me. If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. I have two sleepy sidekicks here with me, but I don't know that you're going to get too much from them. So Zena's already burrowing in, and there's Wyatt. You can see him sleeping. That's the happy crew. So that's my help for today. Highly engaged, right? Performance reviews are coming. It's not going to go well. And we had this talk last year around this time. All right. Anyway, if you enjoy seeing subscription boxes, reviews, clothing hauls, please hit that subscribe button and hang out for the long haul. And today I am bringing you my Glamour jewelry box subscription. Love this subscription. This one is a $34 a month subscription, including shipping if you're within the US. I think it's a little bit more if you're outside of the US. But $34 a month, you get two pieces of jewelry valued at least $55, and it comes in this beautiful little pouch each month. It's like a fun little surprise for you. I still look forward to it each and every month. All right, so you can choose to get rose gold only or silver only, or a combination of both of them. So I would swap each month, which is my selection. I love them both. And you can cancel, skip anytime, so no worries if you do sign up. Also, I have a code for you. So if you use my code HAPPY, you will get a free piece of jewelry in your first box. Fun, right? And usually that's valued at $25. Okay, let's dig into my collection this month. This looks fun. It looks like it is rose gold. The theme is Winter Wonderland. So you do get a little card with your, it comes in a little bag. Actually, it used to come in a box. They've moved to sustainable packaging, so now it's a bag. And you do get a little card that tells you about the theme for the jewelry for the month. So the theme for this collection is the Winter Wonderland, and it says, this month's collection brings magic to your winter outfits with its warm sparkle and glitz. The pieces add a delicate touch, sure to be a hit. All right, you do get little cards that tell you about each of your pieces of jewelry as well as the retail value. And I'm going to start with, I think this is a bracelet, it looks like. See if I can open it. Here's what I'm seeing. It comes in a little plastic. Yep, this is a bracelet. It has the nice little easy to move adjustable strap band. I guess we'll call it a band. And look how pretty that is. Lots of pretty sparkle. Hopefully that's picking up. So if you want to make sure that that sparkle stays at the top of your wrist, you can make this really tight. I shouldn't say really tight. Make it tight against your wrist so it's not moving around. Otherwise, you could leave it loose if you don't like things that are tight on your wrist. So here's what it looks like. You can keep it, doesn't move. Is that not pretty? Hoping all that sparkle is showing up. You could also layer this with other bracelets. It has a nice sparkle. And I also got a pair of earrings in this collection. These look fun as well. And I'll read you about both of them in just a minute after I get them on. Look how pretty this is. Little dangles. Isn't that pretty? I like the double hoop there that's on a drop. So it is a little hook. Nice little dangles. These look like a nice size. They're very light. Have the little extra protector. I'm not sure you guys can see that. But has the extra little plastic piece that goes on the very end. Can you see that? I like that. That way you make sure they don't like slip off your ears. All right. So nice and light and delicate, yet big enough to be noticeable, right? These can bring the bling. How pretty are those? What do you think? I like them. Okay, there's both pieces. And what do they say? So the Haven bracelet is a modern, delicate bracelet that adjusts to your perfect fit. It is ideal for a subtle touch of sparkle and easy to stack appeal. The simple design of this chain bracelet makes it a perfect wear anywhere piece, and the retail value is $29, and it's from their Sophia collection. So they had the same idea as me. I think it would be pretty as a layer stacked with other bracelets. All right, and then the Allison Earrings. Says these offer a chic update to minimal hoop earrings with its fun double layer. This dainty yet unique piece will add that little something extra to your outfit without any effort, and the retail value is $28, and that is also by the Sophia collection. That's both pieces. What do you guys think? I love a dangle. I think these are the perfect size, not too big, not too small. I think they're probably, for me, I would not wear these with my hair up, and I'm glad I have my hair up so you guys can see them. But I would probably wear them when my hair is down, most likely. But pretty, right? And I think the bracelet is as well. And I love that they've been doing so much more with this little slider, so it's so easy to move and get on when you're by yourself. I would struggle sometimes when I'm by myself putting jewelry on if I don't have an easy way to adjust. So this makes it so nice and easy. And obviously it would fit, you know, probably most wrists, if not all. Love it. All right, that's my Glamour jewelry box for today. What did you guys think? Pretty pieces, right? Loving the rose gold. I got this really cool, cute pair of if I can talk, rose gold booties. I'm thinking these would look so pretty with. All right, so I will put all of my information down below for you in case you want to check Glamour Jewelry Box out. I think this is a great fun little surprise that you can get each month with just a couple pieces of jewelry to add to your collection. Remember, you can choose between silver only or rose gold only, or you could choose to swap between the two each month. And $34 includes shipping. I do believe outside of the US there is an additional small shipping fee. All right, guys, I will list the names of these pieces as well. They do also offer some shopping on their site, so some of the past pieces you can pick up. And I'm so happy you chose to spend some time with me today. Until next time, everybody, please hit that subscribe button and do hang out. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more just like it, would love you to hit that like button, and please do comment down below and let me know what you think of these pieces. Until next time, everybody, bye-bye.